Hi everyone, I hope you're good guys. Today new video about how you kind of make tom rumble. Basically, I didn't really plan to make this rack. It's when with my last video, I don't know if you see it, where I was making this rack tone shaper. I was experimenting and I came with this rack. I came with this idea to send the tom to return and use my kick verb rack. And so I deep a little bit more into the idea of the rack, and on the end made a rack. It's nothing super new or fancy, but I just wanted to share with you anyway. So basically it's a drum rack and you've got a 3 chain where you can put your tom. So if you haven't checked this rack, the video, I really recommend to check it. The link will be in the description and in the corner of the video right now. So basically, once you have your rack and your tom roll, you can send it to this return, and I use my kick verb rack, and you see you get this effect. So you can basically control the boomy or the rumble, and then because sometimes tom is very in the high, so in the high frequency, but I add this sub macro, which is basically, now if you're familiar with my video, you know about this corpus preset that I use imitate the wave plugin Airbase, and it's adding resonance in the low frequency, and there is an EQ as well which is boosting the low, so it's basically, yeah, adding a lot of sub frequency, and then it's just a sidechain. So you get this kind of very rumbly out of your tom pattern. And then obviously you can experiment. I have assigned, so this is the send, like how much of the tom you want to send in the reverb here, in the tom rumble. And so I've put 3 tom, because usually it's low, mid and high, and you can pitch each tom. Basically I assigned the pitch envelope because I couldn't assign the transport. I would love to be able to assign the transport, but I couldn't, because I needed to put in first in this rack to assign then in this rack. But anyway, I applied the pitch envelope amount, which is gonna anyway pitch a little the sound, and you can get kind of creative trying things. And then yeah, just create a baseline from basically your tom. And then obviously you can go modify here. That's really up to you. But yeah, that's basically all what the rack is about. I just reused one of the old rack to kind of create this. And yeah, you can add, here is the same, and it's just different kind of techno a little bit, but same principle. Oh, let me just remove. And obviously you can always, don't forget, you can go inside the rack and inside this one, in the rumble, make it maybe longer. Change the frequency. And yeah, one thing is maybe here I have a reverb kick as well. So both the kick verb plus the tom rumble is going well together in this case. Or I've done it by mistake, but you could see as well before, if I put this tom rumble, it's working well. Let's see with the reverb, it might be too much on the end. just experiment, but yeah. Alright, that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you like this rag, and see you soon. Bye bye, guys. Thank you for watching.